Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Always go straight to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday. Yeah, it's Wednesday. We're still waiting for CPI, which is going to be tomorrow. So most likely the market won't be moving very nice. But before we go on that, guys, I have some very good news. But this is just going to be 5 days special. 5 days special. So what's really happening is you can get our VIP signals for $30, and that it's actually 12 months. Guess what? Our mentorship, just because I want everyone to actually learn from me, for those who actually feel like they can learn from me, you can get that mentorship for $48, and that is only going to be 4 months. And with 4 months, I think we will be learning so much. So this is going to be only 5 days special, which means it's going to end this Sunday. So for those who want to be part of the team, just let me know. Another thing is from tomorrow, guys, I won't be available then, which means we're gonna resume on Monday, but my contacts will be actually available. I'm not saying that I'm not gonna update everyone with the signals. I'm just saying with the other things, so which means I won't be available. But yes, we still have this special. Tell your friends that we have this special. Just let me know. Check my description. You will find my contact or my WhatsApp link. Then talk to me there. So what's really happening on the economic calendar? Later on, we're still waiting for Powell to testify. Yesterday, he did actually testify. So we left with one here. So that will be happening after the market open. And CPI, guys, CPI, if the numbers are going to go down, that will be good for the market. But if it's going to go up, that is going to be positive for the dollar, and which means anything that has to do with the dollar is going to suffer, right? On Friday, we have PPI. So, but at the moment, the most important thing is going to be CPI. So let's get out of that and let's go straight to our analysis. So I will just go on my DXY, as this is just going to be a quick analysis just for everyone to see what's really happening, what changed, what did not really change, right? So when we check here, we can see that nothing much. We can see that the market already, it was around this area yesterday, but there is nothing much of a change there. If you check there is nothing much. That was actually, you can see yesterday the market was here and we still around the same level, but it seems like the market is respecting our support area, which means we might see a very nice push to the upside, and that will mean that the dollar is gaining some momentum, you see, and which means if it gains that momentum, other pairs like Gbpusd, Eurusd, they will be going down, you see, unless if maybe the news are not going to be in favor of the dollar or DXY. So around this level here, we might see maybe a breakout. But if the market breaks out around this area, we also have a potential support that the market can respect before going up. And if that can be broken out, that will mean that the dollar will be actually going down, or maybe let's say selling. I hope that makes sense. But by doing that, it means that inflation will be going down. It will be going down. So let's push to the next one, which is going to be Gbpusd. What's really happening? You can see that, yeah, the market actually reached our resistance area there, and we have a nice sell pending order. We expect to see the market going down. I think I also sent this in our free group. We have a free group, guys. Check my description. And yeah, you can just join that group. So you can see that we have something like this, right? So with that, it shows us that, you know what, the market can respect this resistant area and start to go even lower. Let's just go on a 4 hours time frame. The market has been playing around the same level. I thought maybe we are going to get a very nice sell, but maybe later on, right? So you can see that we are coming from this nice downtrend structure, but we are no longer on that, so which means we have to focus on this. We can easily see that every time once the market reaches this level, the market does what? The market actually starts to sell. Remember when they say you should sell high and buy low, right? So now the market is actually higher. we're expecting to see that nice sell. What I know is the market won't just melt. The market might just play games before we see a proper sell. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So that's why I'm actually on a downtrend here. So which means I'm expecting to sell, or I'm actually selling. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one, which is euro. What? Not euro. Okay, it's gold. So I thought maybe it's gonna be euro. So which means euro is also going down, following Gbpusd. So now we are on gold. What's really happening? Gold actually, it seems to be respecting our support area, or this area where the market actually broke out. This was a breakout that we had previously. As you see here, we had a very nice structure going down. Do you see that? And the market just broke out of that, and we had some consolidation around that level, but now it seems to be going up. But just because we don't really chase the market, guys, sometimes if the market is playing games, yes, we get out. You can see that the market tried to go up, went up again, and here the market was just playing around, and now I can see that the market is trying to go higher. So if it does go higher, it means we'll actually wait for the market to reach this resistant area. Yes, guys, I understand we are on a very nice bullish move after this breakout. So I'm expecting to see a continuation of that buy. But we can't just chase the market if maybe it went up, went down. Nope, we don't really have to do that. But yes, I'm expecting to see something like that happening, and maybe the market might actually break out and keep going even higher. Simple as that. Do you see that? I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So now let's push to the next one, which is going to be US30. No, US30 is like that. It's not actually moving, nothing much here. So you can easily see that, yeah, man, the market is been consolidating here. At least we saw a nice breakout. We were expecting to see the market continuing. Guess what? The market was just consolidating. And even now, we can easily see that now the market is still consolidating. The market tried to give us a nice breakout, but you know what? It was not really enough. We had a breakout here, and then the market reversed. But this is what we actually have. You can see that the market is just consolidating, but we have to wait. We have to wait for the market reaching this support area, then push into the upside. Because what we see here, it's like something like that. We have this inner structures inside, but they are too small for us. So we're not going to chase these smaller moves. So rather wait for the market to reach this support area, then we can buy, or maybe wait for this resistance to be broken out, then we can look for that buy. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one, which is going to be gold. As I repeat, we've been on gold since last week, but you can see that the market is playing around. I'm already out. I'm not holding anything because I can easily see that this thing is not really moving. But what I'm waiting for a proper touch of this resistance. Maybe the market will be reversing before we see a proper push. But at the moment, it's going to be risky for us just to jump on the market, especially when we expect a CPI tomorrow. Later on, Powell is going to testify, and just playing around this market can be brutal. Yes, we smashed that. You can see that. But at the moment, I think the best way is to wait for the market to reach this resistant area. This is not really a fixed there. I'm just expecting it to reach there. Why? Because that is actually our average move, right? That average move makes sense that we might have a resistance around that level. So that's why I'm saying that this is a potential resistant area, and then maybe the market might just play around that. Then we can see maybe a continuation if CPI is gonna go down, or if Powell is stating that maybe he might cut the rate. So most likely when we have news like this, it's a hot month. Even last month it was like this, and it's not really easier for us to trade. But when things are starting to be cool, it doesn't really matter if we have the news or not. So we are going to trade. So we have to understand this situation when the market is, when we have this geopolitics, when we have higher inflations, though everything tends to matter way much like before. So that's why we don't just jump on the trades. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, I'm still bullish, but I'm expecting a reversal before I buy, or maybe a breakout before I look for that buy. Simple as that. But the most important thing is going to be that CPI. S&P 500, we also smashed this one, very nice. And now I'm just waiting for the market to give me a potential resistance that I can end up using, quite similar to here. You can see that. So I'm waiting for that. But the overall structure is quite similar to gold. These are US indexes, guys. Most likely they will be moving the same or quite similar, as they use same companies, even if the companies are not the same, but mostly major companies are quite the same. That's why we see the same moves, right? So that's why here we are on a very nice uptrend, quite similar to Nasdaq, and this move, most likely they are positively correlating. So what we see here, we can see that this index is very positive. Yes, we expect CPI, and we don't really know if maybe CPI is gonna go down or up. But what I saw last month, it was much better because things were just going down. Things were just going down, and that was good. That was very nice, you see. So that's what we see at the moment. So I'm still expecting to see maybe the market reverse or creating a nice resistance before we see that breakout, before we look for that buy. Already we smashed that, so we can't just chase. So yes, what's really happening? So on German 30, this thing is doing some crazy moves, because if you check, we were on a very nice downtrend structure. We had a nice breakout. I was expecting to see some very nice bullish moves there, but look what happened here. Market broke out. This means the market will be going down and continue with the previous downtrend structure. So this was just an adjustment, which means we have to draw our trends like that. We have to reconnect our resistance area so that we can add this sort of a fake breakout inside our structure, so that we don't really fall for any fake moves. Simple as that. So at the moment, obviously, this will be continuation of that downtrend structure, guys. Downtrend structure. So for those who wants to be part of the team, as I repeat, this is only 5 days special. 5 days special at $30 for actually 12 months VIP signals. I hope you can read this. So mentorship, so this is going to be in a group, guys. So maybe a maximum of 20, that will be fine. But just join the team if you want to learn. I think there's people who want to catch up, and maybe they know other things, but they are not really clear. You know, when you know, but you still get it wrong, you don't really know what do I make it, where do I go wrong, because I've been trading. You see, you know all these things, but you're still not profitable. Maybe it's your mindset, maybe it's emotions, maybe it's your risk management. All that we need to learn, and we need to polish our skills, right? So this is actually 4 months, so which means it's gonna be 4 months of mentorship. So on this is going to be 3 months learning and 1 month practical. So which means you're gonna open maybe a demo account and start to practice on that, or maybe a real account, and we're gonna have some trading plans that we need to follow, and fixed ones. You see, so this is just 5 days special, guys. So for those who want to be part of the team. So, oh, not 5 months, 5 days special, not 5 months, 5 days special, which means end this weekend. So yeah, talk to me if you want to be part of the team. So yeah, let's go straight to US oil. US oil, it's going down. It was going down. I'm saying it's going down from here. We were on a very nice downtrend structure. You can see that, and we were expecting to continue with this nice bullish move. So you can see that these moves are like moving very crazy. We see some breakouts here and there, and now we see this aggressive reversal. So we'll see if maybe we can have something like that. We will see. But at the moment, I think we just need to actually try to clear out of that and have something like this. I think around this area, I don't really have to force this, but I don't really see something. So which means the market has to give us a proper structure that we can say we can jump on that bullish move, because I still expect to see a very nice move. But if maybe I wanted to jump in, I was going to do something like this. if I wanted to buy, because with that breakout, obviously I was expecting to see a very nice push, but it seems like the market is reversing. So if I need to buy, I will say, you know what, as we have this crazy reversal there, or this smaller sell, or sorry, this reversal, I will buy only if the market breaks out of that resistance. Then I will take some positions above that. But if the market doesn't really break that, it means there is a chance for the market just to continue like that. So wait for that breakout before you jump in. So please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It was our quick analysis. So you can scan this QR code, guys. Scan the QR code, but we have the special. We have this special. Let me know if you want to be part of the team. I will see you on the next one. Bye.